I'm going downstairs now. Yeah, because I'm going to the breakfast. So in here I have this egg and yeah, ampalaya. And just when you get out of the hotel, this is how it is. A little humid at the moment, but yeah, not hot, just humid. And that's the train station of its top. It's a top. And I'm actually going to walk all the way to SM, Mall of Asia. So we are walking in this overpass. And down there, yeah, it's a busy road. We're coming from the other side. It's fun. Oh, now I understand the system. So you know before, yeah, the public buses, they are always going to that side and picking up passengers. Yeah, but now they changed it because all the buses, they are now here in the middle. Yeah, and there is a big barrier. Yeah, so the bus only passing through this way and all the passengers over that side needs to go there. And so the flow of traffic is nice now. I mean, all these cars can go through. Yeah, because before what the bus is doing is the same like those jeepney. They are waiting for passenger and they are becoming, yeah, the cause of traffic. This jeepney, they are actually going to Mall of Asia. But yeah, I don't have any money yet. That's why I will just keep on walking until I found an ATM machine. Now I am feeling the heat and yeah, getting sweat already. Yeah, it's hot and humid. It's fun. And we can see that there are more hotels, I mean buildings over that side, the colorful one. When I was still here in Manila, they don't exist. It was an empty land before. And look at that van, very tiny. The name is Double Dragon Plaza, and it's beautiful actually. There are those kind of people, statue, big statue. Even on the other side there is a statue. Maybe this is also a shopping hall, but from here I can already see the Mall of Asia. I don't know how many kilometers is this, but yeah, looks like this just yeah, the usual walk that I do in Nelson Bay. The only difference is that yeah, you know, walking in Nelson Bay is fresh, relaxed. Here, hot and sweating. But beautiful, look at this. Modern. Also on the side there are oh, this is Tim Hortons, temporarily closed. That's not good. Yeah, Tim Hortons should be always open. A Suzuki Jimny, yeah, one of the latest model. Nice. So as I was saying, from that overpass and flyover, this empty. This was empty before, all the way to the Mall of Asia. There's a Starbucks over there. And you know, when I was in the traffic light, I was looking for the button to press the, you know, button, but yeah, I realized, oh, I am in the Philippines. There's no button. Yeah, and then there is one lady. I want to ask if there is still the jaywalking fine here. Yeah, and then when I look at the lady, she's actually a foreigner, and so I'm shy. I did not ask, and I just waited for the green go. Yeah, because you know, last time when I was working in Santa Mesa, yeah, I was actually issued with fine because I did, instead of going to the overpass, yeah, I crossed the road and there was a police, and then I went to the LTO to pay for that fine. This apartment, yeah, SMDC. Oh, there is BDO. Yeah, that's actually my bank account here in the Philippines, and so I'm going to go and withdraw cash, and then I'll be able to. Oh no, I don't need to take a ride because Mall of Asia is over there already, and there are many ATM machines over there actually. So yeah, we just go to there and withdraw over in the Mall of Asia instead of that. Aside from I have no money yet, I also don't have a SIM card yet. Yeah, so I don't have access to the internet. I was able to access the internet through the Wi-Fi of the hotel, but through data, not yet. Yeah, so I'm also going here in I'm also going to buy a SIM card there at the Mall of Asia. And you maybe are asking why I did not buy a SIM card in the airports. Yeah, most tourists, they do buy a SIM card at the airport. Even set up the settings of the phone in the airport. Yeah, and also why I did not withdraw money from the airport. From here we can see the this globe, and then IKEA over there, and this is the SM Mall of Asia. Yeah, nice. And there is actually kind of underpass here. I don't know if this is all the way to Mall of Asia. So basically, yeah, when I was getting into the airplane to my seat, yeah, there is a couple over there. Yeah, and they are watching my vlog. Yeah, so yeah, we had a chat, a long chat. Yeah, before the airplane fly. Actually, it's on. We are sitting next to each other. Yeah, the couple. Yeah, they are Kuya Joel and Ate Net. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, we actually had a very long chat, conversation. Yeah, about the vlogs mostly, and about life. Yeah, so basically when we get down here in the airport, they asked me to go with them. Yeah, so I did not able to withdraw money or go to the or buy a SIM card. And then they treat me. We went to Ayala Shopping Center near the airport, and we had the dinner there. And then they drive me all the way to my hotel. Yeah, that's how very nice. Yeah, Kuya Joel and Ate Net. Yeah, really appreciate that. Very convenient for me. Oh, is this open? Probably closed. Still, it's 8:15. So yeah, we are now here in the Mall of Asia. Yeah, it's still closed, but most of the outside restaurant, they are open already, like McDonald's and KFC. Look at this. There was a McDonald's at the other side, and then there's another one here. Yeah, not even 500 meters apart. And we are now here at the bank. They are actually open Monday to Friday. Today is Saturday. Yeah, but the ATM machine, of course, they are open. Yeah, I just got the money. And look at this. This is how the money here in the Philippines looks like. Yeah, similar to the money in Australia. That is plastic. Yeah, also it looks new. Yes, basically there is that peacock, kind of peacock. This 100 pesos, equivalent to maybe $3 or $4. Yeah, Australian dollars per 100. And this is 800 pesos. And then at the other side of the money, yeah, there is this sun and map of the Philippines, and the Mayun volcano, and the big fish. Yeah, very nice. I am not hungry, but I'm going to eat a Jollibee. It's just over there, the other side. Oh, and there is actually a Burger King here. And as most of you know, Burger King is Hungry Jack's in Australia. But I prefer Jollibee. Yeah, I'm just going to drink something and yeah, to cool down a little bit because I'm sweating. I will be waiting for 10 o'clock before going to the shopping center. They actually have a self-service machine here, but I'm not going to use that. I have cash. So basically when I ordered there, yeah, the cashier actually went to the machine, to the self-service machine, and then goes back to the cashier. Yeah, and I actually end up getting this. Iced tea. And this is chicken and rice. And this is $84. No, 84 pesos. Yeah, full and satisfied again. Second breakfast. Some places actually has a post button. And they actually end up in this restaurant. Yeah, initially I thought I'm just going to have a coffee at Starbucks, and so I thought this one is Starbucks. Yeah, but you know, I still not seeing the name, the brand. But I opened already the door, and when I opened the door, there's the lady asked me for how many table. I said one, and so I end up ordering this. Yeah, coffee and a croissant. But you know, looking at the menu, I feel like yeah, the coffee is actually 180, 190, 200. Yeah, just like this one is 180 long block. So I think in most coffee shop, yeah, price range just that. And so it's not regretful to eat here because here is beautiful, peaceful. And you know, this restaurant actually has a good, very nice yeah, interior. It's a combination of brown, gold, and blue or black. And it's beautiful. Yeah, feels classy. Yeah, the name is White Flower. White Flower. White Flower. Yeah. I left the 53 something dollar. Serve as a tip for them. Yeah, because I've been comfortable inside. And now I am here inside of the Mall of Asia. It's already 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's actually where I've been inside, but yeah, it's a beautiful restaurant. And yeah, I won't be able to vlog here properly because there is a loud music and yeah, loud music here. You know, here in the Philippines, there are more American yeah, brands, physical store, than it is in Australia. Yeah, both luxury brands and regular brands. You know, I already consumed all the 800 that I withdraw. Yeah, so basically I went to buy a SIM card. Yeah, and it cost $59. Yeah, plus I also bought a yeah, data, which is $200. Yeah. And so I already finished all the 800 pesos that I withdrew. And I also, because I don't have money, and the guy at the Globe Telecom helped me to set up everything, to be able to use this SIM card. Yeah, I actually gave him $20 because the $20 is the money that I have now. Yeah. Yeah, so now I need to withdraw money again. I'm basically giving tip to every restaurant that I ate. Yeah, in Jollibee, they don't accept tip, but yeah, they have a donation box. So I put there the change that I had. Yeah, and then in the coffee shop where I had my breads and coffee, I also gave them the tip, get the change. Yeah, and then here at the Globe Telecom. And now we are here at the third floor of this shopping mall. Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, actually, I'm not sure. But, yeah, the last time I was here, there is no third floor, just second floor. So this area is new. I mean, this floor is new. Oh, I can see Banco de Oro. I'm going to withdraw money again. Yeah, so I just came from that video bank. Yeah, to change all my Australian dollars. Yeah, about $200. And so now I have 6,000 pesos something. And now I am looking for a barber shop. And like what I've said last time that I was here, 2018, yeah, this floor doesn't exist. And now it is a food court. Oh, this one, Mary Grace. Yeah, this is the same branch of the restaurant we had a dinner last night. And then here there is this MOA Sky. Yeah, they recently opened this one. Oh, this is how it is. There is this rugby field. Yeah, very nice. It's big actually. Yeah, same size of the rugby field in Nelson Bay. I mean in Salamander Bay Sports Center. MOA means Mall of Asia. And let's actually go walk over there. And because this is outdoor, yeah, it's hot and humid. Over that side, we're going to see the ocean or the sea, Manila Bay. And as I can see from here, yeah, there is kind of a construction in the middle of the water, in the middle of the sea. Oh yeah, this is a new reclamation. Yeah, so basically they are changing the map of the Philippines by adding more land in the water. And yeah, construction in the middle. And there are many ships over that side. Cargo ship mostly. And this is another kind of recreational area. There's Ferris wheel over that side. Yeah, I saw in the news that that one is going to become like kind of yeah, new city. And look at this in here. They have this yeah, DJI shop. And I'm actually going to eat again. This time it's that casino. And I now have my new hair. I feel good about it. It's actually $400.